Hello. I have more blue scraps left, so I figured I'd make a sunburst. Alrighty, so I just cut my 1-inch strips from corner to corner, and that's what I've done here. And then I'm just gonna, let's see, I think I'm just gonna go ahead and just start right in the middle here. Why not? And then I'll just go ahead and put some glue on there, and we'll go from there. And that'll be my starting point. Alrighty, why not? Good idea. And then do the next part. And how about a lighter one? These come out so pretty. And I really do like the look of monochromatic. Just choosing a color and just going with it. I really do like that. I really enjoy it. So this is a little short, but that's okay. I can deal with that. Probably going to end up trimming it off anyways. Yipper skipper. Alrighty, let's do another light one here. And will that fit? Nope. Will this one fit? Yes. So today was wash day, so I stripped my linens, stripped my bed down, and gathered up all the throw blankets downstairs and got them all washed. I love hanging the blankets up and the sheets up because they smell so yummy when they're done. Yum, yum, yum. Finish coloring this whole thing in because, whoops, got a little bit more. Because I know I'm gonna fill it in anyways, so I may as well just go for it. Ooh, that's perfect. Haha. Nice. Okay, so we got this side nice. Very good. So now we've got this other side to deal with. So let's trim these off. That's pretty. All right. So now, let's see. I may have to trim these too, but that's okay. I can keep going with these. And I can see I'm definitely going to need to trim a couple more, but that's all right. We'll deal with that. But then you get to see how I'm trimming them too. There. I got these new lights that go on they're night lights that go on the steps and going down to the bottom of the steps and then up the steps and at the top of the steps and halfway down. So that way when I get up in the middle of the night, then I don't have to grab my phone and carry it up and down the stairs with me. I can just walk up and down and they're motion triggered and they're UV lights. So they're really nice and bright. I like them. And they're battery operated. So that's really clever how they put these things together, and they work amazing. And I found them on Amazon, and they were a 3-pack. Yep, that's really pretty. Okay, will that fit? Yes. Alrighty, I just need to trim that up. But it's funny because I'll be getting ready to fall asleep, and then all of a sudden the lights will go on because the cats are going up and down the steps. And there's one right outside my door. But I want it. I still want it there. Alrighty. This one can fit here. All right. Remember to cut these corner to corner and you're good. Yep. Alrighty, this one will fit. Yes. Oh, yes. Nice, and one more. Just got to cover up that last little bit. Will that fit? And then I can trim it? Nope, not quite long enough. All right, this one will, though. All right. Very good. Nice. So now I just got to trim these off. That looks really nice. So what do you think of that? Monochromatic sunburst. I like that. Very pretty. And you know what? I could piece a little piece in there if I wanted to. Or I could just leave it alone. I think I'll just leave it. It's probably going to be trimmed off anyways. So there you go. That's how you make a monochromatic, all one color, so blues, Starburst. What do you think of that? I like that. Alrighty. And we've still got plenty of time, so let's make this into something. So, because that only took about 8 minutes, which is nice. So, let's look at this. Let's trim this down a wee bit, because I want it to be a little bit neater right here at the tips. Much better. Okay. And how long is this? Oh yeah, that's definitely plenty long to trim off. So let's cut it down to 5 1/4 instead of 5 1/2. All right, so we'll cut it right here and then turn it around and cut it on this side. Make it down 5 1/4. There. And it's what, 4 inches wide? Yep, perfect. Okay. So that'll be perfect for on a card front. And we've got a piece here and a piece here we can put on the inside if we wanted to, which probably definitely will happen. All right, that's really pretty. I like that. So we want a card for it to go on. So a white card it will be to show off that beautiful blue. That is gorgeous. Oh my goodness. Isn't that pretty? I like that. All right, so let's go ahead and glue that on. Actually, I'm wondering if I should run that. You know what? I think I'm going to run it through a folder first, just to make sure that all stays down really good. Oh, and I think I'll use my old favorite, the dots. If I could only have one folder, it would definitely be the dots, because that's my go-to. Yep, it is. That's my definite go-to. So 2 B's, yes it is. B and B. All right. Perfect. Slide those back, put this back. Nice. Open this up. That is so pretty. Oh my goodness. That's just gorgeous. All right. So then sit back down. Oops, my little glue ring on the floor. All right, there. That is really pretty. Oh my goodness. So I'm wondering if I should do black border around for contrast or just leave it. I do kind of like it like that. I think I'm just going to leave it this time. All right, let's go ahead and put some glue on here. I love my tacky glue. Perfect. Okay, then turn it over and use my scraper. There. Isn't that pretty? Sun rays. That is gorgeous. Okay, so now we've got it on there. So now we need an image. So let's see. Images. We have images. Yes, we do. We've got a whole box of images here. These are old paper pumpkin kits that I had ordered, and I saved all these boxes because they're just lovely. Alrighty, that is kind of cute. It's not blue though, but that's okay. Alrighty, we could use that guy. He would be kind of cute right there. Alright, ooh, that would be so pretty. The red cardinals or these blue birds right here. That would be gorgeous. We could do blue birds. Alrighty, that would be really pretty, but will that show up? Yes, it certainly will. That's actually pretty. I'm going to do that. That makes a very nice card. I like it. All right. Very pretty. Now I'm thinking, do I want to 3D that up? But I think I definitely want to line that with white paper. So, and I have plenty of white scraps. So I can pull out my white paper and find a small piece that should fit on there. Alrighty, we can do that. Here's my little pinchers, my picker-uppers. Whoops, right there they are. That's pretty. Alrighty. That's That's pretty. All right. Gotta trim that bottom just a wee bit. That's better. Okay. Yes, that's much better. That is so pretty. What a simple, easy card. And this little picture came from a calendar. Yep. So I think I'm going to go ahead and pop that up too. Yep. So let's get those glue dots. And we'll put those on there. I've got these little bits and pieces in here. I may as well go ahead and use them up. There. Perfect. And I think I'm going to take it out to the edge of the card. That is pretty. I like the way that looks. What do you think? Isn't that pretty? I like that. Now we need a little bit of bling to go on there. So let's get some bling, bling, bling going on. And I've got some little blue bling in here. Got some here and over here. So let's go ahead and turn that around. Alrighty. And we can dump some of these blings out here. Close this up so we don't spill it over. Alrighty. And let's put some dots on here. That'll work. Okay. And these are just nail gems. And a nail gem picker-upper, which is just wax. Just a wax pencil. And yes, I will link it. Nice. Ooh, that's so pretty. Alrighty, now, what do you think? Isn't that pretty? I like the way that looks. Very nice. Alrighty, so there you go. A monochromatic sun rays card. I like that. Okay, so if you like this, please give me a thumbs up. And until we meet again, happy crafting. Bye-bye.